Well, the ballots for the November election have to be printed soon, but a court case is slowing up the process in Tuscola County. The village of Mayville has filed a lawsuit to keep 5 people off the ballot.
Yeah, those 5 people say this is small town politics at its best or worst. Village manager Barbara Valentine and the village attorney are claiming there are fatal defects to the proposed candidacy of the 5 people who want to serve on the village council.
Unbelievable. No wonder no one wants to get involved.
That's how these 4 Mayville residents feel as this lawsuit filed by the village of Mayville states they shouldn't be on the November ballot. The village and its attorney Adam Flory contend there are serious problems with their nominating petitions and other paperwork. Michael Phil is the 5th person targeted in the lawsuit.
I didn't sign the petition properly for the nomination. It's just very trivial.
Phil is running for village president, as is Judy Chesney.
Judith. However, I made a mistake on this form.
The village claims she also used different variations of her name on her paperwork. They are both running against Kristen Valentine, who's related to village manager Barbara Valentine. The 5 people targeted say Valentine is trying to keep people who disagree with her off the ballot. For Bill Barkowska, a former Mayville trustee who wants the job again, it is an unpaid $10.91 Freedom of Information Act bill, which the village says should disqualify him.
For $10.91, they want to keep us off the ballot. $10.91. I spent $30 trying to pay it.
We've been trying to pay, but they won't cash the cashier's check.
Claire Friars also has that unpaid FOIA bill.
They're trying to keep us off the ballot is making an election interference here.
Visiting Judge Gerald Prill heard arguments on the lawsuit as Tuscola County judges recused themselves. Prill listened to both sides and he hopes to render an opinion by the end of the week. Margot Chambers says as a first-time candidate, she's frustrated.
It makes people not want to even get involved in our village, and that's sorry.
Now, Adam Flory, the attorney for the village of Mayville, released a statement citing working to ensure integrity in the electoral process, writing in part, an integral part of that work is to ensure that all candidates have fully complied with the statutory and other legal requirements associated with Michigan election law. Failure to enforce the statutory requirements penalizes those candidates who properly followed the law in pursuing their candidacy for office. And again, the judge in the case expected to render an opinion by the end of the week.